The fire tornado. Right there, see that? Little fire tornado. That's amazing. We see it quite often in heavy fires like this, but look at that. It's just spinning, it's creating its own weather in there, its own wind, and it will bring up the fire right off the ground like that in a spike. It's quite amazing to see, but a lot of ash coming out of that, a lot of fire being drawn straight up into the air. When we see this, it's just a spectacular sight, a very scary sight, but certainly definitely due to the heavy fire and heavy brush in the area. We see it every once in a while, especially in one of the hot spots there. It's starting to calm down now, but quite a sight to see for sure on the fire line. Look at the size of it compared to the car.